In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Map and Gohighlevel. We're going to walk through the process together in a simple and straightforward way so you can get this integration set up without any confusion. If you're inside your Gohighlevel account already, you're in the right place to begin. Start by going to Gohighlevel and opening the main dashboard for the location where you want to add the integration. It's important to make sure you're in the correct account or sub-account before moving forward, but especially if you manage multiple locations. That way, the Google Map connection will be installed in the right place from the start. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account. Most of the tools and settings you need in Gohighlevel are organized here. So if you ever can't find something, this sidebar is usually the first place to check. From that left side menu, click on App Marketplace. This is where Gohighlevel keeps its available apps, integrations, and installable tools. Think of it as the central place for connecting extra features to your account. When the app marketplace opens, give it a moment to load fully so you can search without missing anything. Next, go to the search bar and type in Google Map. Be sure to spell it clearly so the correct app appears in the results. Using the search bar is the fastest way to find the exact integration you need, especially if the marketplace contains a long list of apps. Once the Google Map option appears, click on it to open the apps page. This page usually gives you a quick overview of the integration and lets you confirm that you've selected the correct app before installing it. Taking a second here can help avoid installing the wrong tool by mistake. After that, click on Install. This is the step that starts connecting Google Map to your Gohighlevel location. Depending on your account setup, you may see a prompt, a loading screen, or a brief confirmation message while the installation completes. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions and allow the process to finish. And that's it. Once installed, the Google Map integration should now be synced with your Gohighlevel account. If you don't see changes immediately, try refreshing the page or checking the app section again to confirm the installation went through successfully. That's how to sync Google Map in Gohighlevel.